Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lin Health Europe. Today, stay with us to see the hair transplant documentary, A Journey to Istanbul. Join us as we follow the journey of a hair transplant patient to Istanbul with Lin Health. In this documentary, we explore the experience from arrival to recovery and why Turkey is becoming the go-to destination for affordable, high-quality hair restoration. Arrival and consultation. Day 1. After arriving in Istanbul, patients are welcomed by Lin Health's team for a personalized consultation. They discuss the goals, expectations, and create a tailored plan for the procedure. Day 2. The procedure itself. The patient undergoes a painless hair transplant using the latest techniques. With the expert care of Lin Health's professionals, everything goes smoothly. Day 3. Recovery begins. Patients are guided through the first wash and given aftercare instructions. The healing process starts, and swelling and redness begin to fade. Final thoughts. The journey continues with follow-up care, ensuring the best results. Thanks to Lin Health's high-quality service, the transformation is both affordable and life-changing. From the consultation to recovery, Lin Health makes your hair transplant journey in Istanbul smooth and unforgettable. Thank you for watching this video and accompanying us during our patient's journey. Hope to see you soon here. If you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments that you have in the comment section below. Bye!